Hello and welcome to English Unlocked. This is Lesson 3 from our A1 English test series. In the last lesson, you worked with subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Today we take the next natural step and learn possessive adjectives. Words like my, your, his, her, its, our, their. They help us talk about who something belongs to. This lesson follows school logic. Nothing is skipped. Everything builds step by step. This is not an exam. You are here to practice, to learn, and to feel more confident. Before we start, here are the rules of the test. You will hear 25 questions. For each question, you will have 10 seconds to choose your answer. Please do not rush. Take your time. You will hear all the correct answers at the end of the test, after you answer all 25 questions. If you like, prepare a pen and a piece of paper, and write down your answers. Or you can write all your answers in the comments below the video. Good luck. Let's begin.
Question 1. This is A. My, B. Me, C. Mine book. Question 2. She is Anna. This is A. She, B. Her, C. Hers bag. Question 3. I have a brother. A. His, B. He, C. Him name is Tom. Question 4. We live here. This is A. Us, B. Our, C. Ours house. Question 5. They have a car. A. Their, B. Them, C. Theirs car is blue. Question 6. This is my sister. A. She, B. Her, C. Hers name is Emma. Question 7. I like A. I, B. My, C. Mine job. Question 8. He has a dog. A. His, B. He, C. Him dog is very friendly. Question 9. You have a phone. Is this A. You, B. Your, C. Yours phone? Question 10. We are students. A. Our, B. Us, C. Ours teacher is very kind. Question 11. They live near us. A. Them, B. Their, C. Theirs house is big. Question 12. I see Anna. A. Her. B. She. C. Hers bag is on the table. Question 13. This is my cat. A. It. B. Its. C. Its name is Max. Question 14. He is my friend. A. Him. B. His. C. He family lives here. Question 15. We have a garden. A. We. B. Our. C. Ours garden is small. Question 16. I like. A. Me. B. My. C. Mine new shoes. Question 17. She has a brother. A. Her. B. She. C. Hers brother is tall. Question 18. They have children. A. Them. B. Their. C. Theirs children are at school. Question 19. You and I are here. This is A. Our. B. Us. C. Ours classroom. Question 20. He loves. A. He. B. His. C. Him job. Question 21. This is Anna and Tom. A. They. B. Their. C. Theirs parents are very nice. Question 22. I have a sister. A. She. B. Her. C. Hers name is Kate. Question 23. The dog is cute. A. It. B. Its. C. Its tail is long. Question 24. You have friends here. A. You. B. Your. C. Yours friends are very friendly. Question 25. We like. A. Us. B. Our. C. Our city.
Let's check the answers together. 1. This is my book. 2. This is her bag. 3. His name is Tom. 4. This is our house. 5. Their car is blue. 6. Her name is Emma. 7. I like my job. 8. His dog is very friendly. 9. Is this your phone? 10. Our teacher is very kind. 11. Their house is big. 12. Her bag is on the table. 13. Its name is Max. 14. His family lives here. 15. Our garden is small. 16. I like my new shoes. 17. Her brother is tall. 18. Their children are at school. 19. This is our classroom. 20. He loves his job. 21. Their parents are very nice. 22. Her name is Kate. 23. Its tail is long. 24. Your friends are very friendly. 25. We like our city. Thank you for taking the time to practice your English. Write in the comments how many answers you got right. You can also share how you feel after this test. If this lesson was helpful, listen to the next one here on English Unlocked. See you next time.